Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by reducing tension on the net so repairs align, undo a few springs, or move safety padding. Once done, lay the affected edge flat and visually inspect the zipper path to find the problem: a stuck slider, misaligned teeth, or torn tape. Keep tools handy: needle nose pliers, a replacement slider, lubricant, and a heavy needle with UV-resistant thread, because you'll switch from diagnosis to action immediately after confirming the damage. Now you tackle the middle steps that matter. Free any jam by working zipper lubricant into the teeth, then gently pull trapped fabric free with pliers. Next, test the slider. If it won't engage, either fit a replacement slider of matching size or carefully crimp the existing slider with pliers to restore grip. If the zipper tape is frayed, stitch it back with strong UV thread so the slider travels smoothly. This prevents repeat failure and restores structural support. Finish by reinforcing the stops. Sew heavy stitches or install new end stops so the slider can't come off. Once secured, test the zipper slowly along its full length 5 times, watching for skips or misalignment. Make small adjustments and retension the net as needed to ensure smooth movement. If teeth keep skipping or stitching can't hold, you'll need to replace the full zipper assembly or call a pro. This prevents repeat fixes and restores trampoline safety immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.